welcome to Vlogcember. This is day number 2. Hopefully I could keep track of all the days. This is day number 2. How's everybody doing today? So this morning, again, I was running late to work, always. So I put on some, well, I did my skincare, and then I put some vitamin C, and I also put some tinted sunscreen from La Roche-Posay, which I'm loving. It gives me like a slight tint, but not too much, and I feel comfortable with just wearing this to work. I applied some mascara from Tower 28 and some lip gloss from Patrick Ta. It's a really nice nude color, which I love. So yeah, I'm on the way to work, obviously, and I wanted to say good morning and just share some little things with you guys. I'm not expecting, I don't think I'm getting any packages today, but I don't know, because I did order a few things for the giveaways, and I also ordered some things for me taking advantage of the Black Friday sales. I ordered the Chantecaille Lotus collection. Finally, haven't been able to use it yet, and I figured out that, well, my phone holder is still wobbly. I can't use it, so I put it back in my dashboard. But I'm gonna just talk and record when I'm like in a straight line, when I don't have to turn the wheel. Like right now I have to turn the wheel, that way the wheel won't cover the phone, and it's annoying. And I hope you guys don't mind the angle. I think right now it's pretty good. Let me see, a little bit lower part maybe. Yeah, there, perfect. And then when I'm turning or something, then I will edit that part out, because it's kind of annoying to have the wheel in the way. So what is the question of the day? Because remember, the giveaways, you have to answer. If you want to participate, you have to leave me your handle, and also you have to let me know or answer the question in a sentence, so I know that you actually saw the video and you actually heard the question. So for today, let me see what's a good question. Okay, I got one. If you have any plans for travel this winter season, a lot of people travel during the holidays because they have the time off. Kids have the time off from school and all that. We are planning on traveling. At the end of the month, we plan on traveling to Tennessee to see my younger brother. I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can so I could show you guys. It's still going to be during the month of December, so I'll be able to show it as a Vlogcember. I've been there a bunch of times. Well, not a bunch of times. I've been there twice, and I really like it. I really like it. My husband's never been there, so for him it'll be the first time. So it's interesting. It'll be fun. And my hair is like, when I wash my hair like, the day after or 2 days after, my hair is like really like out of control and frizzy. And I didn't put on anything. I just picked it up in a ponytail. Just making it simple. So I think that's all I have for now. I'm gonna go to work, and if anything interesting shows up today, I'm gonna be working a longer day, getting ready for I have a meeting in a couple of days. I have to go see a client and give a presentation, give a summary of the tax return and all that. I'm not gonna record that, obviously, because for their privacy, and because that's kind of boring for most people. Plus, I respect your privacy. So I have to prepare for that, but I have other things that I have to do today, and I'm gonna take some time, if I have the chance. I'm gonna start writing out the cards, because I like to include every time I give a giveaway. I'm turning now, so I have to stop. Every time I do a giveaway, I like to include a card, a handwritten note. So I'm gonna start doing that. Obviously, I don't know who's gonna win, but at least I could start writing it out, because in my office I have, bigger desk, and I have more space and a little bit more quiet sometimes. So yeah, I was just thinking that I got the Lisa Eldridge's eyeshadow palettes, and I only been able to use one. So I wanna, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna use one of the other palettes to show you guys how it is. They're beautiful. Like, I did the swatches, and they're really, really pretty. I used Sorcery. I just used 2 shades, and it's just gorgeous. Really, really nice. No fallout. It was very, very pretty. I'm very happy, and for that launch, and that I was able to get three of them. So yeah, it is a really pretty day today in South Florida. I can't show you right now because then it's kind of a weird angle, but yeah. So I think that's all I have for now. I'm gonna check in later and say hi and say what's up and show you guys anything interesting during the day. This morning I also used the new perfume I ordered yesterday that I received yesterday, the one from Valentino. It smells really, really nice. It's like a little bit sweet but not intoxicating. It's really like soft. It smells good on me, which is great, because sometimes perfumes have really beautiful scents but they don't go with my pH, but this one does. It smells really nice, so I'm happy for that too. All right, you guys, I will check in later, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Friends, I'm back. Well, yeah, I'm back, and I'm back home. I just took a shower. As you could probably guess, I really didn't have an exciting day today. Just lots of work. So yeah, I didn't do nothing really exciting today, but I do want to show you a few little things now that I got home. I wanted to try the mask, the LED light therapy mask from Current Body Skin. It was gifted to me, and they gave me a code, actually a discount code for you guys, which I'm gonna put in the description box. But I was gonna use it tonight with you guys, but I realized in my mind, I don't know why I didn't think of this, I have to charge it, and I haven't charged it. So I have to charge it for 4 hours before using it. So I'm gonna charge it, and most likely tomorrow then I'll use it with you guys, because I've never used it before. It was given to me for me to give my honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to leave this for tomorrow, and I want to show you quickly what I've added to my nighttime routine. Well, in the morning, I'll be using the La Roche-Posay vitamin C serum, and today I used the tinted sunscreen. These were gifted to me. They're lovely. I love them very much. And at nighttime, what I've been using this face wash in the morning and also at nighttime as my second step in double cleanse from La Roche-Posay, the hydrating gentle cleanser. And I've been then using the moisturizer and at nighttime and in the morning, and at nighttime I've been using the retinol eye cream and face cream from the Inky List. This I purchased during the Sephora sale. So I've been using it consistently for like 2 weeks, and I'm loving it. No irritation whatsoever. I cannot speak for other people. I don't know if it's irritated other people. I don't think so, because it has really good reviews. But in my case, I can only speak on my experience. No irritation whatsoever, not even from the first day. So I've been loving it, and since I already showered and washed my face, I'm going to apply the retinol, and that way I'll be doing my nighttime routine already and finishing up the day. I'm going to do the eye cream first. I like to do the eye cream first, but I already took the retinol out, so let me just do the retinol. It's really light, no fragrance, it feels really good, it absorbs really quickly, and like I said, no irritation whatsoever. I've been loving it, and I do feel that after a few days, like my face cleared up a lot. Like you could tell that I've been using it and it's been doing something, and that's basically the only face products I've been using. I'm like isolating them from other products, that way I know if they really work, because if I use it with other products, then I will know really what is helping me. So this is all I've been doing every night, and it has been great. And then I finish off with, once it's dry, which it dries up really quickly, I add some of the moisturizer from La Roche-Posay, just a little bit, and that's it. I've been doing that for the past 2 weeks, 2 or 3, maybe even 3 weeks, and I've been loving it. Like I could really see the difference. So tomorrow when I use the LED mask, I'm not gonna apply any, I think you could apply moisturizer, but I'm not gonna apply anything. Maybe just a little moisturizer, but I'm not gonna apply any retinol or nothing, just in case, because you're not supposed to wear anything, and it could affect it. You could have a reaction because of the lights. You're supposed to test a small area first, so we'll figure it out tomorrow and see what I do. So that's what I've been adding to my skincare routine every day, and it has been great. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the bedroom, and I want to show you, I got a box today from Ipsy. Ipsy has been really good lately. I used to have a bunch of subscription boxes, but I stopped. I got out of most of them. I'm only left with BoxyCharm and Ipsy, and those are sent to me. They're gifted to me, which I'm very grateful. But lately BoxyCharm hasn't been that great, but Ipsy has been really good. So I want to see what came in the box and share that with you. So let's go on to the bedroom. I do get both the regular box and the Ipsy bag. Let me start with the Ipsy bag. This month's theme is "Oh, what fun!" December 2022. Let the celebrations begin. And it comes with this velvety bag. And let me see what samples it came this month. Okay, from Sophia and Mabel. This is a lip gloss. Fruit lip oil. Oh, I love lip oils. I love them. An ultra repair firming collagen cream. Collagen is always welcome. Milk Rise mascara. Very nice. I don't think I ever tried a milk mascara. This is a rose tea eye cream from the brand Tea Time by Row, New York. And a pencil from Luna Magic lip liner in the shade Besitos. It's like a burgundy coffee. I'm not gonna swipe it just in case I decided to give it to my mom or something. But it looks like a pretty color. Oh, by the way, you guys, my nails are super disgusting. I know, I'm so sorry. I have to do them. I have to do them. I'm gonna do them tomorrow, most likely. I just have to check if my nail lady, which is my mom, is able to do it tomorrow. All right, let's take out everything from the box. I think it's easier, and then I'll just throw everything, all the trash, all the stuff inside the box. Actually, I'm gonna keep the box because I do want to take a photo for Instagram. So it comes in this bag. Every month it comes with a bag, and it says "Hooray!" And we have here a rosé sheet mask. Ooh, very nice. I love face masks. Then we have a quick stick from Tarte shadow and liner, a 2-in-1. Cool. Then we have a, this is Cyrus, oh no, it's Kat Burki. I don't think I've ever seen this brand. Kat Burki, powered by nutritional science, a vitamin C intensive face cream. Ooh, I love vitamin C. Right now I'm using a vitamin C serum like I showed you, but vitamin C cream, that'll be interesting. And my light turned off. Ooh, I love the packaging, really pretty. Let's see if it has any fragrance or scent. Oh, it smells really good. It's very light, very fluffy, but it has a scent, which I don't mind. Maybe it bothers you, but I don't mind fragrance. It smells really good. I'm gonna read the ingredients and see if there's anything there that I don't like, which I doubt. I'm not allergic to most of the things. And we also got a brush set from MOTD Cosmetics. Really pretty. I love the stems. Probably give it to my stepdaughter. We have a palette from Ciate London, the Velvet palette. We get a lot of Ciate in these subscription boxes. It's a pretty palette. The packaging, at least. Oh, they're pretty colors. Not my cup of tea, because there's a lot of pinks and purples in there, but there's a lot of shimmers, and there are a couple of satins, and like half satins, half shimmers. Really pretty. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3. I saw there was another piece. 4. There's 4 things. Oh, the cream. It's 5. The cream is pretty heavy. It's probably like the best, the most looks. It's the most looks product in this month, and it's not bad. I mean, I do get it for free. I get it gifted, which is great, which is nice. But if I think it's worth it, I think Ipsy is worth it compared to BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm hasn't been that good for me lately, except they came out with a special box with some things from Tarte. And was that BoxyCharm or Ipsy? I think it was BoxyCharm. No, I don't remember. And they came out with like a special box with Alicia Keys, with Keys items, products, which was nice too. So sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. But overall, I think Ipsy is better than Boxy. So I got a few things that I'm gonna try. The sheet mask I'm gonna try, and the face cream. Now the rest, I'll give it away to coworkers, or my stepdaughter would love this because of the colors. So yeah guys, this is my video for today. This is my vlog for today. Not very exciting, but I am planning really interesting things in the near future, like when the weekend comes along and I'm able to go out, because during the week I'm at work, so it's not that interesting. I am expecting a few packages, which I will show you of course as I get them. And don't forget to, if you want to participate in the giveaway, the 12 days of giveaways that I'm doing for you guys, make sure you're subscribed, you like this video, and you leave your handle in the comments down below and answer the question of the day. And today's question is, oh yes, if you have any plans for the holiday, for winter, if you don't feel comfortable in telling me exactly, you don't have to tell me exactly where you're going or you're doing, of course not. Like if you don't feel comfortable, then no, don't do that. But just a general answer, like, yeah, I plan on going out of town, or I plan on remodeling the house, or I plan on, I don't know, whatever it is that you want to tell me. Just let's get the conversation going. You don't have to give me details if you don't feel comfortable in doing that, which I understand 100%. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish up, clean up here, take some photos for Instagram, and finish up my blog post for tomorrow, which this I'm filming like 2 days ahead because I want to make sure I get to the end of Vlogcember. My video stopped. It says I don't have enough space in my phone, so I'm gonna have to now erase a couple of things and old videos and stuff, or send it to Google Drive. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up the post that I have set up for tomorrow, which is gonna be my fall makeup. I wasn't able to do like favorites for October and November, and especially now that I'm doing Vlogcember, I won't have time to do a favorites video for YouTube. But I do have a blog post which I'm gonna be talking about the favorite items, the items that I've tried in the month of October and November during the fall season that I've loved. And a couple of them have been, a few of them is that items that I showed you from La Roche-Posay and Enki list. They made the list because they've been really good to me. So yeah, and a few other items. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link of my blog and specifically that blog post down below in the description box if you guys are interested and you want to read about it and support me there, because I'm doing a lot of content for my website. I'm trying to do more for my website, so if you want to support me there, I really do appreciate it, and hope to see you there, hope to see you around. So this is my video for you guys today. I hope you come back tomorrow and see what I'm up to tomorrow, what things I'll be doing tomorrow, and what things I have to share for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.